Oh my god, this is gas. Let's twist and pull. And let's review the brand new Tymo's Airflow. If you're new to my channel and if you're not, welcome back. I'm Mike. I'm a hairdresser, a L'Oreal color specialist, a makeup fan and a skincare lover. In today's film we are going to be reviewing Airflow by Tymo, which is 2-in-1 curler and a straightener. So if you want to find out if this 2-in-1 curl and a straightener by Tymo is any good or if it's a heap of dirt, then you better keep on watching. What is the story, everyone? In today's film we are reviewing Tymo's Airflow, which is this beautiful 2-in-1 curler and a hair straightener. So as we can see, the packaging is very smooth, and this is a very interesting product. Tymo or Tymo, however you want to pronounce it, has some interesting hairstyling tools, hair straighteners, curlers, hair dryers. If you'd like me to review some of them, please let me know in the comment section down below. But with no further ado, guys, let me present you with Tymo Airflow. So like that, you guys, as you can see, this is the Tymo Airflow, and it is 2-in-1 curler and straightener. This product retails for $99, which is about €95. The website does sell internationally. However, what I'm going to tell you guys is they do have a US plug, so I did have to get an adapter, but that's not an issue. I'm using it with an adapter and obviously it's working. And like that, if you decide to buy it, I do have a code which is Mike21, and with that code you do get 25% off. And down below I'm going to link all the links to get this product. But let's talk about this product a tiny bit more. So this 2-in-1 curler and straightener, obviously you can use it as a straightener if you want to, but it's perfect for curling due to its round barrel. It has a cool airflow within it, which is quite interesting, which helps to set the curl as you're curling, which is very interesting because me as a hairdresser, when I blow dry hair, right, if I'm doing a curly blow dry, and if you've been to a hair salon, you know, especially if you like leave a last brush, you see a hairdresser putting a cool blast on the hair so the curl can set, because when you're curling the hair is weakened when it's hot and the bonds are not set to its shape. So we're gonna get quite good result if this works how I think it's gonna work. So I like the idea of the hot and cold because we need the cool air to set the curl and get the longevity out of the curl. So this hair straightener curler is gonna strengthen, curl and smooth the hair at the same time, and it has dual voltage, so no matter where you are in the world this is gonna work. And like that, this has 5 different heat settings varying from 140 degrees Celsius to 220. So you guys, let's turn this on. Let's see what this is all about. Oh yeah, also in the whole package you do get a heat glove, which I don't know, I don't think I'm going to use it. You get this protector for your tool so you can pop your tool into it, and you get 2 sectioning grips, which is actually quite handy, and all that for $99. I mean, if this works, this could be a good product for home use. So obviously we do have a clamp, so you're going to put the hair into it. I'm not going to be using it in my hair because obviously I do not have long hair enough to curl it, so we're going to be working on tuition head, and I'm going to try like a boho technique and classic curly on long and short head. So let's turn this on. So we're going to turn that on. Okay, and the minute you pop those, it heats it all up. Okay, so you can hear that heating up, and I believe if you press this button that releases the fan. Oh my god, this is gas. Can you all hear that? So that's the cool blast. So the plates are heat inside, and then you have the cool blast around, and you can actually feel a bit of a cool blast off it. Oh, that's deadly, isn't it? Right, I'm going to turn that off. So I'm going to let that heat up. It takes approximately 50 seconds to heat up fully. I'm going to put it on for full blast, so we want the full heat because obviously I'll be working on tuition heads. So you guys, what am I going to do is I'm going to quickly set up, and I'm going to get a long tuition head. I'm going to perform like a boho kind of curl with it, see how that turns out, and then on the shorter head we're just going to play around and see what I can come up with. So you guys, see you in a second. Right, you guys, so as you can see we have a beautiful long tuition head over here. The product is heated up, so I'm just going to brush her first, and I'm just going to try to create something like a soft boho wave in it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on the airflow. This is actually hilarious, I think. Right, I'm going to take smaller sections for first, because obviously I've never used it, so I don't know how it behaves. So I'm going to turn her this way so you can see there's actually a bit of a curl in it already. And I'm going to open the clamp. I'm just going to clamp that. And I'm just going to swing that down. I'm going to twist, swing it down, twist, swing it down, twist, just to create a nice boho wave. And oh, this is amazing. Look at the size of that curl. Now I'm going to turn down the temperature because I think it's too hot for the tuition head. And I'm just going to do another section up here, comb that through. Now keep in mind, you guys, this is a tuition head. This is not a real head. So I'm just going to grab that again. I'm going to clamp that. And I'm just going to create a wave. We're going to let that set, twist and pull, and that's the best way to create a boho wave in the hair. And just pull that down. This is actually really good. So let's just complete this side and then we're going to see how that turns out. And the hair feels cool afterwards. So usually when you use a classic, let's say, curling tool, the hair still feels hot and you have to wait for it to cool down. Now with this is quite amazing. I'm gonna pull that down. That'd be actually handy for using in the salon if I don't have time to be waiting for curls to cool down. And then obviously on the short tuition head, I'll try a different technique. But I think it's good to show like the boho wave because that's what's kind of in at the moment. So you literally twist and pull and the cold air cools the hair down. So obviously this is the curl that I got on this side. Let me just clip off the side that I didn't do. And I just want to show you the result. And I'm just gonna comb that through. And we have that beautiful soft wave going through it. It's quite nice. Like see the way I'm getting just a nice boho wave in that. Like you can really work that through, and depending how tight you want it, you can really create a nice wave. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue with that and finish the other side. Now you guys, I'm starting to do this side. So what I'm doing is I'm actually flipping the tool upside down and I'm actually waving it away from the face. So that's quite important that you're waving it away from the face so the waves can meet halfway through. Do you know what? I think with the first side, it actually took me a while to kind of get used to the product because I was like, oh, what's going on? But I am liking this. And you know what? It doesn't grab the hair. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to run my fingers through it. I'm not going to use an aggressive brush. Just going to run my fingers through it. And as you can see, we are getting that nice kind of boho wave in the tuition head. So that's the result I'm after getting on this side. So it's nice and wavy and it's soft. Alright you guys, so I'm after dressing it out, and as you can see I am getting this nice 70s 90s boho chic vibe, which is quite cool. It's quite beautiful. So let's get shorter doll's head. Alright you guys, so as you can see we're having a beautiful short doll's head, and I'm just going to try a few different techniques on it. I'm not going to go too precise with it and just see what I can come up with. So I'm just going to take my section in and like that. You know what, although these tools, they need to be used on different hair types, and like that, the amazing thing about it is that it smoothens, strengthens and curls the hair at the same time. So you know what, this is more for experimental purposes. So I am going to do a vertical curl on this one, and I'm going to hold it tighter and just pull that like a classic curl. And we're getting a nice bounce to it. Obviously you don't have to get it as curly, but it's telling me that it works. What else can I try on? Okay, let's try the classic horizontal one. And you just twist around and just pull. And we're getting a nice bounce. So you can do a full head of classic horizontal curls. Now another good technique is obviously let's do a boho curl on shorter hair as well. So like that, you clip that and wave it and you twist it. And we're getting a nice wave in it. What else can I try? I will try, oh yeah, when you go up and out and see, that's actually quite nice as well. So like that, you guys, I'll just do one side of this one. We don't need to see the full head. And if you can see, if you brush it out, we're getting a nice curl. So whether your hair is short or long, this works quite well. And you can create different techniques. As you can see, I done a wave, I done a classic curl, I done the hippie hoppy technique as I call it. I fed it through somewhere in places. So I mean, this product is quite versatile. So let's talk about the whole product. Right, you guys, so what did you think of the Tymo Airflow? I think it's actually quite cool. I like the idea and the design of the product. I mean, the whole idea of the cool airflow, I think this is so cool and very innovative. I mean, for $100, it is very good. And I mean, it does what a professional would do to your hair, because like that, you need to let the hair cool down. And as you can see on my models, we did get that beautiful kind of boho wave in this, and I mean, her hair is really long, and I mean, it is a tuition head, and we got quite amazing result. And then when it came to the short one, I mean, we did get bouncier curls, so you can create any type of curl. So I mean, compare the straight side to the curly side. So I mean, it is quite versatile. You can use it on both long and short hair, and it creates nice smooth, and the curl straightens and smooths the hair at the same time. So when it comes to Tymo Airflow, I think this is a hit. Anyways guys, thank you for watching today's film. I hope you found this film interesting, helpful and useful. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also check out my other social media, and of course you guys, please do what? Do take care. Bye.